May we call on everyone from the senior management, Sir Boy Cruz, Sir Winnie, our guest, Sir Ed, Ma'am Ninette, Ma'am Stella, Ma'am Delia, second runner-up to be given 10,000 pesos. Sir Chris, can you please come up front? Si Sir Chris, ang unang trainer ko nung ako'y nag-MTP noong 1988. Siya po ang field office manager ng San Jose, Nueva Ecija. At ang region head namin noon, nakapulang Lancer na 4-door, si Kuya Willie Mandia. Second runner-up goes to, with an aggregate score of 80.93. And may we advise everyone na yung kung lumampas, binawasan ng punto. Okay? Ang agreement, 10 minutes performance time. So binawasan po ng mga ating judges kung lumampas. Second runner-up, 80.93, 10,000 pesos, BMW! May we ask the representative from BMW to please claim your award? Okay, may we request the band to please have their photo. Congratulations, BMW. Mabuti pa sa Mindanao, may BMW. Sa amin, BMX. Okay? May I request the band members to please sort of kneel down in front of our seniors. Okay, maraming po salamat. First runner-up, garnering an aggregate score of 82.53 to win 20,000 pesos. 20,000 pesos. Mag-react naman kayo dyan. Yan? O, diba? 20,000 pesos. 82.53. Runner-up. First runner-up. Twisted! May request the band members and the band facilitator to please go up front, have your photo taken. Twisted is rhythm after 5. Rhythm after 5. Isa ang pinakapoging facilitator sa OCSS. Rhythm after 5. Mukhang band member din ang dating, ano ha? Pero ang galing niya ang pingpong. twisted. Okay? Mamaya nga pala, bilang kapurasuhan ko sa mga nanalo, yung idol at mananalong banda makikipag-jamming sa amin. Malinaw ba yan? Okay. At ang nanalo ng 25,000 piso grand prize, garnering a score of 86.67.